it's Hayley here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite mask routine that I've been doing for a while now, and it is really easy. All you need is 2 ingredients, which is organic apple cider vinegar and the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. For this you'll also need a plastic measuring spoon, something to stir it with. I use a chopstick, a bowl and a brush. And for this you are just going to get equal parts of the healing clay. So here I am using a teaspoon, and I'm just leveling that off. And then with that I'm also going to go in with equal parts of the apple cider vinegar. I do want to note that you don't want to use any metal spoons, measuring spoons or bowls or anything to mix it with that is metal, because that will mess up with the activation process and you don't want that. Here it is starting to bubble up a little bit. Comment is very interested in all the smells. And the apple cider vinegar, it does have quite a strong smell. So if you don't like the smell of vinegar, then this might be a bit tough for you, but I don't actually mind it. I actually used to hate vinegar, and I still kind of do, but apple cider vinegar I can kind of handle. Here I am just making that into a smooth paste. And then here we are in my bathroom with my lovely makeup-free face. It's a lot better than what it used to be. My skin has really improved since I've done this mask. The mask is quite cooling at first, and I think I actually made it a little bit too watery here. I usually like it a little bit thicker than this, but this one's fine as well. I'm just using an old brush just to apply that onto the face and just evenly apply that. And dance break. Here I am just trying to dry the mask a little bit so I can apply a tiny bit more, because it is quite thin on my face at the moment. So enjoy my dancing. And don't forget to moisturize your lips. Put on a nice moisturizing lip balm, because they tend to get quite dry during this mask. While you're waiting for the mask to dry, don't forget to wash your tools, especially the brush. You don't want it to be drying in there. Don't forget to drink and eat before you start this mask, because it can take up to 30 minutes for the mask to dry. If you have sensitive skin, maybe only keep it on for 10 minutes, but I like to keep mine on until it pretty much dries. So here I am just watching a nice long vlog from OILIER TV while I wait for the mask to dry. Here we are 10 minutes in, and you can already see that the mask has dried down quite a bit and my skin is looking quite scaly and reptilian-like, but this is all normal. My skin at this point is feeling tingly as the mask tightens and the blood comes to the surface of the skin. It also becomes increasingly harder to move your face, so make sure you drink a lot of water before, or maybe even get a straw to drink some water during this mask. Oh my god. I just had to go downstairs because the postie rang the doorbell and I had to pick up my package, and I didn't want to send it to the post office. So I went downstairs. It was so embarrassing. Oh, I look like a corpse. Ow. Here we are close to the 30-minute mark, and you can see how dry the mask gets. I look like a lizard. Oh my god, I literally look like a lizard. Ow. It hurts. It's super dry and it's pulling my skin. Even my face looks a bit funny, a bit meh. Okay, time to wash yourself. To wash off the mask, I get 2 sheets of paper towel, and then I fold it in half, and then I moisten that in some warm water. This mask takes quite a while to take off and is a little messy, so I usually like to head into the shower and take it off there, but if you're not heading into the shower, then you can use the paper towel to help you instead. From there, I just put the paper towel on my face and let the water re-moisten the mask. Once the mask softens, you can gently begin to wipe off the mask with the paper towel. Don't forget to re-moisten and wash the paper towel in between wipes. And we're clean. I'm going to go in with my gentle cleanser and a cleansing brush just to get off any of the residue and make sure that my skin is really, really clean. Once your face is all clean and dry, you can start on your skincare routine. Here I'm going in with the hyaluronic acid to put a lot of moisture back into my skin. Then I'm going to go in with my day eye cream and pat that in. Next I'm going in with my Tatcha Indigo cream, which is very gentle and moisturizing. So the mask is now off. I took off the scary lizard mask and I have done a really moisturizing and nourishing face routine afterwards. So my skin is feeling really super soft like a baby's bottom, and it's feeling a bit hot. That's just because I think the mask brings all of the blood to the surface, and that's why it is looking pretty red, but it's nothing to worry about. It always happens, it's normal, it's just part of the mask. And yeah, my skin is feeling really nice and soft, and I'm really happy. So when this cools down, when this goes back to normal, I'll probably get ready, put my makeup on then, just let it rest for a little bit before I put in some other products. But it'll only take about maybe 20 minutes, maybe even less, for it to settle down. I think it's already settled down a lot since I washed it. As you can probably tell, it's not as obvious that there are differences between the red and my normal skin color anymore. But yeah, so this mask, as I probably mentioned before, I love it. It's really improved my skin, and if you want to try it, it's really inexpensive. I'll leave some links down below where you can buy the products and what products I use exactly if you want to try those ones out instead. I comment. Yeah, I definitely recommend this face mask. It really helped for me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.